If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, announcement time to kind of refresh our memories. So, here's what we have so far for March. Don't want to forget that Wednesday, March the 15th at 10:30 a.m. Central Time is going to be with Kevin from Fountain Pen Revolution. Now he's going to be going over some inks because we've had some questions about inks, and so hopefully Kevin can help put some good information for you that would be helpful to you. Also, on March the 17th, it's going to be the name, Mr. Announcer?
Kirk Spears?
Yes. It's going to be on a Friday. Now, we're just working on the time, but I'm thinking maybe 7 p. Central Time, and he will be talking about nibs. That's another subject that people have been asking about. So, bam, we got the ink going on, we got the nibs going on, and that's pretty cool. And then on April 16th at 11 a.m., we have at Central Time, 11 a.m., we have Nino Marino. He'll be on from Italy. All right. And then on April 23rd at 11 a.m. Central Time, we have the gentleman from Clicks Fountain Pen. That's going to be another good one. So, I'm going to put that out there and keep it fresh in your head. And Saturday, the April the 15th at 6 p.m., we're having the Fountain Pendulum meet Central Time. So that's another thing. So right now we have the Pen Club, not the Pen Club, I'm sorry, the what do you call it, Mr. Announcer? Help me out here. We have the what? I keep forgetting.
We have the Fountain Pen Club, Fountain Pendulum Pen Club, and then Zoom Pen Hangouts.
Okay, good. I just hearing back from Kirk. So I've been asked about nibs. Could we have someone come on to talk about nibs? Well, I got in touch with Kirk Spears. And he's the gentleman that does all of Mike Green's nibs. And so he graciously volunteered, and he will be on, mark this on your calendars, don't be like me, absent-minded, on a Friday, April 7th. Yay! After what, 20 times? Okay. So, anyway, so that's when he's going to be on Zoom. So, we got Kevin Fountain Pen Revolution. That's going to be here, what, Mr. Announcer? I'm asking Mr. Announcer, know what
And I don't know. That's why I have it on my phone.
On the 15th, isn't it? Or 17th?
17th, maybe.
See, you don't know either. So, well, anyway, with Kevin, all seriousness, is going to be here Wednesday, March 15th at 10:30 a.m. Central Time. And then we're going to do Kirk, April, what, Mr. Announcer?
7th.
Very good. At what time, Mr. Announcer?
Don't know.
Oh, Mr. Announcer. I'm trying to get him involved in this pen activity, and he will be here as well at 7 p. Central Time. Now, if anything changes, I'll do another special announcement to keep y'all informed, updated, let you know what's going on. But still, if any more special guests happen to come on before, I will let you know. Thank you.